Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. We have a brand new release and it is about the Crafty Quokkas. And we have a new Quokka that has hit the shop. We have other Quokkas in the shop. I don't know if you own them yet, but they are super cute. We have ones like Dress Up Quokka, Halloween costume add-on, Everyday Quokka, even a Crafty Quokka Stamp set. We also have a Thanksgiving Quokka set, Valentine's Day, Easter, you name it. So with this Newest Quokka that is just super cute, it's the Crafty Quokkas, and you get these super cute Quokkas, die cutting, coloring, stamping. They are so cute. I love them and I know you will love them too. There's also coordinating dies to cut everything out, which is amazing because you have these small little images, and so you'll have fun using the dies to cut those out. We also have a brand new paper pad. You've probably seen a sneak peek of it, the Crafty Quokkas Double Sided Cardstock. So let's get started. I'm going to give you some measurements here. So we have this Quokka here, and he's about 1/17/16 of an inch by 2 1/4 inch. And then we have this girl Quokka. She is about 2 inches by 1 by 16 inches. And then we have this last one here. He is super cute. He is 2 by 1 7/8 inches. So adorable, right? And then we have markers in their case, markers here, 2 paper punches, scissors, glue, a craft knife, a spatula, washi tape, this fun stamp image. This one is so fun. I've never seen anything like this before, and it all coordinates with the paper pad perfectly, so I'll show you that in just a bit. So another measurement for the markers case would be 7/16 inches by 12/16 inches. The stamp is 1/16 inches by 9 1/16 The scissors is 1/2 inch by 15/16 of an inch, and we have the craft knife, which is 1/16 of an inch by 11/16 of an inch, and then the larger paper punch I measured at 1 3, or actually it's 13/16 by 9/16 of an inch. So, and then some of these are a little smaller than 1 inch. So super cute, and I know you'll have fun making cute little scenes with these Crafty Quokkas. So let's get started on the paper pack. This is a 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock paper pack. You got 12 patterns, 4 of each design, and this is really great paper. It's really thick and I just love it for my cards. So you have this really cute page here. Isn't this adorable? Would be fun to frame it. How fun would it be to have a cute little frame in your craft room? This would surely make you smile. It's great to give as a gift as well. So we have that one with these cute Quokkas, and I'll go ahead and show you again because they're doing all their cute little crafting. And then we have this orange paper, which is really neat. You got lines, kind of looks like graph paper. Also you have these leaves and floral images, some spacers here, some hearts. This is so great. I love this for fall and actually anytime because it's just fun. And then it coordinates with this stamp image here, and they're stamping leaves and flowers, so it's super cute. And then you have this pink polka dot, pink on pink. I love pink, so that is one of my favorite papers. And then the leaves here, I love the colors. You also have some hearts and spacers and flowers. So, and then this blue is like random dots. They're like not perfectly round, which is a fun design. And then you have these cute quokkas. I love how it's just a fun paper here. This would be another one great to frame. And isn't it cute to send these projects to a friend, a crafty friend? Super fun. How about this green on green here? I love this color green. And then you got scissors. And these colors also help you if you want to, if you're not sure how to color some of these images, you can match them to the paper pad. I do that sometimes. And then you have confetti. And so this paper pad is perfect for all occasions, all year round. I think you're going to want to get another pack. I know I am. Look at this rainbow diagonal stripes. And this one here, another great one to frame. Super cute. You can even color the quokka, put it on this paper, frame it. So cute. So many ideas. And let me see, I think it just starts over. And that is the Crafty Quokkas collection. I hope you love it as much as I do. I will be sharing some of the design team projects, and so I hope you enjoy. And the new release will be available on September 8th. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.